Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious nachos at home. First, gather all your ingredients, like a 12-ounce bag of tortilla chips, 8 ounces of shredded cheese, and your favorite toppings. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. This makes cleanup a breeze and helps prevent sticking. Now, let's build those layers. Start by spreading about 1/2 of your tortilla chips in a single, even layer across the prepared baking sheet. Then, sprinkle about 1/2 of your shredded cheese over the chips. If you're adding cooked ground beef or black beans, distribute about 1/2 of those over this first cheese layer. Repeat for a second layer. After layering, it's time for more toppings. Distribute any remaining vegetables, like diced red onion, bell peppers, or sliced jalapenos over the top. Carefully place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted, bubbly, and slightly golden brown, and the chips are warm. Once baked to perfection, carefully remove the nachos from the oven. Let them cool for just 2 or 3 minutes. This helps the cheese set slightly. Now for the best part. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or a scoop of creamy guacamole. Serve your incredible homemade nachos immediately and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.